Hi guys, today I'm gonna unbox the new Tissot PRX. Nice and beautiful Tissot classic box. Pretty heavy actually. We do have the booklets in the back. I'm gonna do that a bit later on. And it's coming with the Tissot cover, and we have the Tissot models. There you go. Sweet watches since 1853. Right, let's see the watch. This is in Sunburst Blue. They do this model in black color and white as well, but I think the blue is the best from all of them. I'm gonna let the watch down for a bit. It's coming on a nice cushion. We do have some compartments where we have the more booklet. Now we do have the two-year international warranty. And on the top we do have as well a Tissot small traveling case for the watch. Nice little touchdown there from Tissot. There we go. I'm gonna show you the watch a bit. Blue color, the blue dial, it's absolutely beautiful. The retail price for this watch is 295 British pounds, which I think it's absolutely amazing value for the money. Okay, it's quartz, and a lot of people don't really like quartz watches, and we all want to have automatic if it's possible, but wow, for the 295 pounds, I don't think you can expect more. The watch is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna put it to my hand. The prices, it's absolutely fantastic on this watch. go. The case, it's 40 millimeters. Thickness is 10.4 millimeters. And log to log, it's 44.6 millimeters. We have the integrated bracelet with the butterfly clasp. We do have Tissot 1853 at the bottom of the butterfly clasp. The case, it's stainless steel. The bracelet as well. The bracelet is brushed, and the case as well. We have the sapphire crystal, and it's not screw down the back case, it's just closing bit. I think it's pressing. Hour hands, minute, second hands on the dial. We do have the Tissot logo on the 12 o'clock 1853, and just on top of 6 o'clock we do have the model PRX, which I think mean pristine, robust, and the X is coming from the Roman 10. The movement is quartz. And we do have the date at 3 o'clock. You do have the Tissot logo on the crown. The crown is not screwed down, but the watch is still 100 meters water resistant. I think the model came out in late 70s with this PRX, and they just took it back on now. I think they did absolutely amazing job. The watch is brilliant. It's absolutely lovely. The bracelet, it's brushed as well, and it's polished between the lugs that catch the light there. It's wow, it's really nice. Just look at that bracelet. I think the only fault of this watch is the watch is quartz. I think it was automatic, was absolutely amazing. But I understand they're coming end of August, they're coming out with the automatic movement as well. I got this from the shop. So at the shop this was 295 British pounds. And I was chatting with the guys down there, and they said end of August the new model is coming, the automatic one, which is gonna be 595 pounds, which I think still for an automatic watch, it's absolutely lovely. It's worth every single penny. Alright guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching.